And we're back to learning CapCut in year day 136. Let me show you the AI remove feature. It's relatively new, and to be honest, currently it's not very stable, but you will find it in the video basic. AI remove, check the box. Open the drop down. If it's not open, you can use an eraser or a brush. Let me use the brush here, and let's say we want to get rid of the person here with the reddish clothes. Simply paint over it with the brush and then confirm right here. It's a pro feature, but you can try it for free. I believe it's once a week or once a month. It's free for everyone. But if you want to use it a couple of times, obviously then pro version is needed. But once again, it's currently not very stable. But with all of these features labeled AI, it's going to improve over time. Let me play it. And you can see what I mean. It removes the object. That looks good. But there are fragments. That's because every frame seems to be edited by the AI step by step or one by one, and therefore it edits it differently with brightness, lighting, and we get a little bit of a flicker effect in this case. So once more, not a perfect tool, at least for now, but certainly something to keep an eye on. As I've said, over time, all of these AI features usually improve in quality, therefore this should be true for this as well. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.